Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot your Truist password? Here's how to reset it safely. First of all, open the Truist mobile app and then tap Forgot User or ID. Then go ahead and click on Reset Password. After that, click on the type of account you have, and then either personal or business or employer issued credit card. Then click continue. Then you'll have to enter your email address, then your last five digits of your SSN, EIN or ITIN, then your user ID. After that, click continue. Then do all the credentials that are required to do. Then you're going to go ahead and open your email, then check if they've sent you a verification code or not, either in your email or in your SMS. Then enter the code in the app. Make sure your new password is unique and not used no other app for better security. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.